Hey everyone, this is Derek with OPTP. As part of our spring training series, today I'm going to show you some great exercises to develop upper body strength and mobility. I'm going to be using our incredible Pro Rotating Discs. So these discs not only create instability, but also allow me to rotate 360 degrees to do some really great mobility and strength exercises. So everything that we do today, we're going to be in this kind of prone position, and I'm going to start on all fours here. And all I'm gonna do to begin is just some rotation here, internal and external rotation. Trying to make sure my shoulders are down, my abdomen is braced, and I'm rotating maybe to about 85 to 90% my max range of motion. From there, as I rotate this time, both hands are going to follow the same direction, so clockwise and counterclockwise, but my hips are gonna follow the backs of my hands. So backs of my hands are going this way, my hips turn out here, and then I go in the opposite direction this way. So this exercise opens up mobility across the low back. You also feel a great stretch in your hips. If you get your upper body involved too, and kind of push your shoulder in the same direction as your hips are going, you'll find it really helps create length across the entire lateral line. Okay, from that position, we're gonna rise up into a high plank or push-up position. We're gonna first make sure that we can engage in that internal and external rotation drill again while maintaining nice and stable across the trunk. So now you're really gonna feel those core muscles fire up during this exercise. After we've mastered that, we're going to try the same drill, but this time lifting one leg. So now you're really gonna feel the fire, really gonna feel the burn as we rotate. And what we can also do here is start to let the hands follow the same direction, and this is actually gonna be a little bit more intense. As I drive from one side to the other, obviously we can switch sides. Okay, for the last few movements here, I have only one Pro Rotating Disc. Now, if you like, because we're gonna be doing some planks on here, there's also a nice pad that you can have to create more comfort. But I'm not gonna be doing that here. I'm just gonna be getting up into my plank position. The first thing I'm gonna do is just rotate my Pro Rotating Disc using all my upper body strength and obviously getting the core working as well. And this is like a full body movement here. Everything is on fire as I'm driving from side to side. Now, a lot of times when we're training for core stability, we want to create more isolation in that ribs through the hip region, right? And all the way around. So we can kind of isolate it a little bit more. And my cue here would be to keep everything in my upper body stable and only move through the midsection. So this should look different now because I'm really only using the muscles that are, again, around that lumbopelvic hip complex. And man, this just turns everything on fire. So those are just a few examples of things you can do to create strength and mobility in your upper body using the Pro Rotating Discs. You can also do a ton of things, obviously, standing on them as well. Great lower body and balance work. So if you want to learn more about them, go to optp.com. Thanks for watching.